Hi, I'm Ben, and this is Princess Mimi.
Dad!
Oh, okay, alright, we'll start again. Hi, I'm Ben, and this is Mia.
Hello.
Hello. And today we're going to talk about phishing. What do you know about phishing?
Oh, I know that you can go on a boat and fish.
Okay.
Is there another word for it?
Tricking.
Oh, people trick other people into giving them money or personal information.
Exactly. If we were to receive an email saying, win a free puppy, just send us your name and address so that we can send you a puppy, do you think they're actually trying to get...
No, probably not, because you don't even know who's sending it to you. You don't want to just go handing strangers your personal information, such as your address or your name.
Very good. That's correct. So what about things like win a free trip to Disney World, enter your phone number and details to win?
Personal information, again, just don't go giving personal information to people.
Yeah. And what would you consider personal information?
Addresses, phone numbers, like last names, stuff that you don't share with people, your passwords and stuff.
Okay. So what about things like where you go to school, or if you do sport or dancing or things like that? Do you think that's personal information? Do you think that could be used?
Yeah, it could, because if you tell someone where you go to school, then they could find out information from that school about you.
Very good. So phishing emails are obviously hunting for that information, right? So is it only online, or where else should you be careful giving this information?
To people around you, or even your friends and stuff like that, because you don't know what's happening with them and what that, like, you don't go giving your best friends your passwords or anything like that.
Okay, so other than emails, what about popular games? What are some popular games or apps that are out at the moment?
TikTok,
Yeah.
Fortnite, Among Us.
Yeah. Do you think that it's okay to give your information to those platforms or those apps?
No, and it's easy to give your information on those ones, because in Among Us you can type to other people. In Fortnite you can chat with other people, like using your words, and there's no boundaries, so that they can't block out things that you're talking to each other, really.
So you're saying not only the app developers, the people making the apps, but also the other people on there could be there to get your information?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's been fun. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.